Hi children, today we are going to continue our class with the chapter 6 exercise number 2. So under geometry in this video we are going to see how to measure the object and how to measure the given line segment. So for that, measuring the object, I have taken an example of measuring the pencil, length of the pencil, length of the pen and length of the sharpener. So first I am going to just place a pencil. So after placing, hold the pencil tightly and then mark the starting point and ending point. That is, here a point and here the ending point. So just after placing the point, remove the pencil and just place the scale on the starting point. The starting point should be with the state of the 0. Okay? And then with the ending point, exactly where it is ending with the point you have done, that point. So hold the scale tightly in the middle and from the starting point just draw a line till the ending point. So don't remove after placing the line segment. Just see what is the centimeter you have drawn in the using scale. So here it is a 13 and 14. So between this 13 and 14 you have a dot. So after 13, the first line you will consider as 13.1, 13.2, 13.3 and 13.4. So exactly under 13.4 it is ending. So the line segment is 13.4 centimeter. So the object we use, the pencil, is the length of 13.4 centimeter. So next we are going to use the pen. So again I am going to place this pencil and I am going to mark the starting point and the ending point. So removing the pen, take the scale, place the starting point at 0 and look for the ending point exactly. Place it correctly and starting with a 0, draw a line till the end point. After drawing, note the centimeter. So here the point is after 14. So it is after 14, 14.1 and 14.2. So it is 14.2 centimeter. The length of the pen which we used is 14.2. So next I am going to use the sharpener. So placing, mark the point. So this is the point, 0 and the ending point. Join them. So after drawing the line, 3, 4. Between 3 and 4 it is laying the ending point. So after 3, 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4 and 3.5. Exactly it is 3.5 centimeter. The sharpener length is 3.5 centimeter. So now we are going to see how to measure the given line segment using the scale. So already they have given the lines. So we are going to measure the given line. So this is the starting point and this is the ending point. So place the scale on the starting point 0 and the ending point where it is lying exactly with 5. So it is 5 centimeter. Okay. So after giving the measurement, you can give any alphabet, A, B, or any alphabet continuously you can give, X, Y, C, D, anything you can give. So the second line segment, starting point, ending point, placing the scale on 0 and with the ending point. So this ending point lies between 8 and 9. So this is after 8, 8.1, 8.2, 8.3, 8.4, 8.5 8.6, 8.7, 8.8. So exactly it is 8.8 centimeter. So next, last line segment, 0 point, and the ending point lies between 8 and 9 again. So this is exactly 8.1, 8.2, 8.3, 8.4 and 8.5. So exactly it is laying at 8.5. 8.5 centimeter. So again you can give like X, Y, L, M. Anything you can give. Okay. So the same how you can give any alphabet O, P, like C, D, A, B. So this is how you can measure the given object. You can take any object and do practice. Thank you, children.